How to replace the rear axle flywheel and holding brake. First, loosen the locating screws of the flywheel. The black brake does not need to be loosened. The yellow screw should be loosened here. Then pull out the axle stick. If it is not easy to come out, you can hit it with a rubber mallet. They'll fall off like this. Then install the brake. Don't forget to put the silver ring back in place. It's got a locating function. Put it in like this. Then install the brake. This place must be no gaps. Hold this side. There's a flat wire on the shaft to lock the screw. This screw must be locked tightly. Then, to lock this brake. The yellow part can be slightly exposed. Don't lean too far in. If it's too far in, it won't turn. Finally, let's try to turn it. We finish it.